Jeder Sessel überall.
Ja.
So richtig
Amsterdam.
Dekoration.
We are here, baby. Woo! No comments. You know. So ngayon, nasa kami dito sa Leiden, Netherlands dahil nawala ni Carrie yung ticket para sa parking at yun, kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko at na-stuck kami medyo mga 30 minutes na rin.
Cheer up, Carrie.
If I was black, I would have sold out. And all that.
Czy pytanie drugie, czy pytanie pierwsze i najważniejsze?
I could be one of
Otwieram
your
oczy.
kids. Carrie. So yun nga guys, wala namin ticket at may naghahanap pa rin kami dahil magabayad si Carrie ng 40 euro. At yun, sobrang malas dahil dapat pumunta kami ngayon sa Amsterdam. At ngayon, nag-aantay kami pero okay lang. Ito yung may kasalanan na yan. Yan, ito. Hindi kayo makalabas dahil dito. Saka may camera, yan. Hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng masama. Welcome in T-level. Borto igang druk op intercom no? Bette frende. Bedridge. Deze parkirgare is night open bow. Lubet, parang German na ewan. Sabi nga niya nung kaibigan ko na parang yung Dutch language parang lasing na German kasi yun, di ba? Parkirgarage. Okay, so ito yung harang, ito yung mga kaibigan ko. So nahanap namin ticket. Yeah. We found it. Woo!
In German.
Yeah.
Just say Jacob because it's English name.
Go see!
Go Amsterdam!
Yo! Right now we are very happy because we didn't have to pay 40 euros. Because someone lost the
And we
tickets.
already decided that we would charge you 20 euros each. Lost the car.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Amsterdam.
Yo, we're currently in Detroit right now, and it's dope. I'm telling you, man. Eminem is performing. We're going to watch Eminem perform. Lose Yourself.
What America! What America!
Mi amo no italiano, no, merci.
That's a bad. Blocking our way.
E poi man, base from italiano, e non move, we are standing. No, look for
Italian.
Don't speak Italianish.
Yeah, we just...
Me too. I don't speak Italian.
Mi also no speak no italiano, but
You don't speak Italian,
We try to make fun of Italiano
There's a
people.
bus blocking there. There's a bus.
Oh, it's stupid, the bus.
That's
Why is the bus stopping our way?
That is correct.
Why?
We cannot move. We cannot move.
You're good and good.
Yeah.
Wasting our time.
have to piss.
Yeah. You have to.
My back is paining. I have to.
The leader of Mafia is there.
Of course.
This is the leader. Car. There's no one there.
We drive on that stage.
Yeah? Okay, get out.
Okay, get out.
Get out!
Guys, so ngayon nasa tayo, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Ito yung capital ng Holland or Netherlands. Tsaka nakita ko yung lugar, grabe, sobrang lively. At ito yung mga coffee shop na kung saan pwede ka mag-smoke ng marijuana. Yan ang kulit. Tsaka legal dito kasi marijuana compared sa ibang bansa sa Europe. Hindi talaga legal, pero dito. Guys, dito sa Amsterdam, meron sila tinatawag na sex shop. At hindi yan mawawala dito dahil kilala sila bilang red light district kung saan merong mga prostitutes. Yan. At itong sample ng sex shop sa kanila. Tawag sa lugar ay Erotic Shopping Center. Batang Labo. Yan, Erotic Shopping Center. Ay, mga damit. Iba't ibang klase.